たちが自由に遊んで。
What's he gonna do with the box? Here they go. Is he alright? Did he die? I think he hit his head. But no blood. It's alright. His dad is laughing. See, a little bit of danger. And these guys are making yakisoba on a barbecue. A lot of people have dogs. They can drink beer and wine. It's not against the law because those kind of laws, oh, look at that, when the cherry blossoms rain down, talk about something good. It's raining cherry blossoms. Isn't that beautiful? So the point is though, people in our public parks and beaches and whatnot, we should be able to enjoy ourselves as responsible people, human beings, whether you be children or adults. It seems to me that children are more responsible than the adults these days. And that's why I like nature so much. Nature is our friend.